Day 2. Welcome to our channel Brainwave Learning. Today's topic is variables and data types. What is variable in Python? A Python variable is a symbolic name that is a reference or pointer to an object. Let's some examples given on the screen and observe carefully. What is data types in Python and how many types it have? Python data types are used to define the type of a variable. It defines what type of data we are going to store in a variable. The data stored in memory can be of many types. For example, a person's age is stored as a numeric value and his or her address is stored as alphanumeric characters. Common data types. Floating point, float. Float is a function code in the Python programming language that convert values into floating point numbers and numeric data type for numbers with fractions. Integer, int, represents the help of int class and it holds long-signed integers of non-limited length / single letter, digit, punctuation mark, symbol, or blank space. String, str or text, sequence of characters, digits, or symbols always treated as text enclosed within either single quote or double quote. Boolean, bool, represent one of the two values whether, i.e., true or false values and it represent to the truth values of the expression. Let's see examples. Given on the screen. In such cases I was also attacked by errors, but much practice makes man perfect, as like you have to practice every day for just 30 minutes. Who knows, one day you will get a good position just spending small amount of your valuable timing to use for learning. So everyone listen, don't waste your time to entrain yourself on social media, use it properly and gain knowledge properly to grow yourself and as well your surroundings. Who knows, you will become a good coder soon. That's why suggest to everyone to learn skill. From our side we are not only teach Python, we have a team, they will teach many skills, either it is software or civil or any other. But we want to teach, we want make proud ourselves without depending others' words, so learn more, earn more with your skills. Notes for day 2 is pinned in the description and as well practice questions also pinned. Congratulations, day 2 was successfully completed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates.